Ah, man. Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya. Head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. Today is not a regular video. Today, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna hit the channel with something different. I've never done this before. This will be like a new series I call Sneakerhead Problems. Basically, Sneakerhead Problems, bro, is everything that you know that we go through. I'm gonna be having like different videos, aka like different episodes of different stuff that we go through on a day-to-day basis. Now, y'all say y'all love the story time. This is like that story time type vibe. This is like that story time type feel where I look directly in the camera and I just speak my mind, bro. At the end of the day, like, I know for a fact y'all gonna feel it. So I do want to say before we get the video started, if you are a sneakerhead, bro, and you ever went through sneakerhead problems, then you already know what I need you to do, bro. It ain't even a thing. You know I already know what I need you to do. Smash up the like button. Let's go crazy on this video because based on the results of this video, I will do future videos. So comment, smash up the like button. That really helps. Matter of fact, let's try to get this video to 1,500 likes. I'm not even sure how many views it's gonna get. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get more than 1,500 views. So if everybody hit the like button, then we good. I don't get why watch my videos and support me if you're not gonna hit the like button. The like button is free. Also subscribe, you know what I'm saying? The button is right there. I need that, like it helps me. Okay, it's so many things I can talk about in the sneaker community that just like messed up to the point where like sometimes I ain't gonna cap, bro, I wanna quit. Sometimes I wanna quit. I be like, forget it, bro. Forget sneakers, forget shoes, forget resellers, forget everything. But out of everything that's going on in the sneaker community that's messed up, man, we just gonna start off with the SNKRS app. Oh my goodness.
Give me that phone. Give it here.
Come on, man. The SNKRS app, bro, the SNKRS app. There's so many different ways I can go with this, bro, when it comes to the Nike SNKRS app that I feel like everybody has went through before. Now, if you don't know what the Nike SNKRS app is, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it up on the screen. The Nike SNKRS app is where a lot of sneakerheads come together and we, you know what I'm saying, we pray for like 15 to 20 minutes. After we pray for like 15 to 20 minutes, we get like 8, 9 cell phones, 4 or 5 laptops, follow up your ex-girlfriend who y'all still on good terms with because she still might go for the shoe for you. Probably hit up one of your homies. Yeah. What's up, boy? You ain't going for them ones, are you? I mean, you pretty much do everything that you possibly can to make sure you get a W and you still end up with an L. Now, I don't know about y'all, okay? I have had my fair share of luck with the SNKRS app. Trust me, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of my subs love when I get my W's on SNKRS app and some of y'all be hating, you know what I'm saying? But I can honestly say, like, even with like some of the W's I have gotten, I have had common issues that I think everybody has with this app. Now, the SNKRS app is getting to the point now where people is literally deleting the app. They don't want nothing to do with it. It's causing people mental health issues. So let's break this down, bro. First off, we're gonna get to the draw. This is my biggest problem with the Nike SNKRS app. This is how I'm gonna break down this sneakerhead problem. The draw, okay? Nike, as of lately, has not been doing any big releases. Matter of fact, to be honest, they haven't been doing any releases at all. I'm gonna scoot over to the side, man. They have not been doing any releases at all, like where you can just basically wait in line like you used to. So basically, how they used to do it was just like you can wait in line, you know what I'm saying? For all my people who know how the SNKRS app is. 10 o'clock hit, or wherever you at, where I'm at, Eastern time is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock hit, you grab your phone, you press your size, you wait in line, and around like 10:03, 10:04, you'll get a W or you'll get an L. That was pretty much how, you know what I'm saying, we got our W's or we got our L's, you know what I'm saying? That's pretty much how you find out. Oh, bruh! I need some more water. I need some more water, bro. I need some more. That's over with. I'm not sure how long that's over with, bro, but the days of the Nike SNKRS waiting line, it seemed to be over. Every single shoe, as far as I've been seeing out of the last few weeks, have only been draws. And I absolutely hate draws, man, because draws, where do I start? Where do I start? Okay, bet. This is why I don't like draws, okay? If you are somebody like me, bro, I use one cell phone. I don't use 100 phones. I play the game, you know what I'm saying? I just got one phone. They say draws supposed to be like the best way or the most fairest way for everybody to get a chance to win.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
But in actuality, bro, it's not. You're a reseller, or if you somebody who buying or whatever, and you got 17 cell phones, you literally giving people 10 minutes to put an order in 17 times. Compared to you actually just letting people wait in line and they get from 10 o'clock to 10:03 to 10:04 to be able to get a W, you're cutting down the window of people finessing 100 times. But this is what I'm saying, this is what I'm saying. If you were a reseller with 17 phones, how long would it take you to get every last phone in line within 3 minutes, because y'all know stuff be sold out super fast. If you don't believe me, bro, go on any of my Nike sneakers videos, bro. I have made a lot of Nike sneakers videos, and every single last one is the same way. Every time a shoe goes live around 10 o'clock, 10:03 or 10:04, they already issue W's or L's right out the gate. It's just no cap, bro. This is a fact. So you really only giving a reseller 3 minutes to be able to put 5-7 phones. So even if they do it, it's way less efficient than them having 10 minutes to go and grab 17 phones and put them all in a raffle, bro. Like, it's so stupid. It's actually counterproductive to what you want to do. Second thing when it comes to these raffles, bro, I know y'all seen these before. How many times, bro? How many times have y'all came to a raffle before and it's like 7 minutes left, 8 minutes left, and it's already sold out? What? Huh? How is the shoe already sold out? It's 8 minutes left on the damn clock. It's 8 minutes left. Bro, somebody, bro. Hey, bro. If y'all don't talk to me down below in the comments, bro, I'm trying. Hey, look, I ain't gonna hold you. What I'm trying to do right now is put on for the sneaker community, bro. But if y'all not in the comments backing me up, I'm looking crazy. I know I'm not the only person that go through these issues or feel the same way. Y'all gotta go crazy in the comments this video, bro. I feel like I'm preaching. You know what I'm saying? But these are problems that sneakerheads go through on the daily basis. See, at first, the only thing that was really draws was like the Nike Dunks. I know the Nike Dunks have picked up heavy. Y'all know me. Y'all know I love the Nike Dunks. So it is what it is. It was pretty much the Nike Dunks and SBs that was draws. And all the Jordans and other shoes like that was pretty much like wait in line. But now, bro, the St. Patrick's Day Air Force Ones was a draw, bro. If they used to drop Timberland boots, they would be in the draw.
The Oreo mix Tims, yeah.
Everything on the app is officially a draw, and I don't know why, bro. I don't know why. That's why everybody really copping more L's than ever, bro. People are getting chances. Now, a lot of people say it's because of the whole Nike VP situation when her son got, you know what I'm saying, caught reselling and buying a lot of pairs. They say ever since then they decided to switch up the format and make it a draw. But like I said in the beginning of the video, bro, I still don't see how that way is more beneficial, because we still getting finessed more than ever. Another problem. This is a problem that I gotta talk about. Hey, if I forget any problems, make sure y'all comment down below. I don't want to make this video too long, but I gotta speak my piece, you know what I'm saying? Have y'all ever got a W on a sneakers app and your card declined? Now, I ain't talking to nobody who, you know what I'm saying, going through some financial problems. Hey, bro, just keep working, hold your head, you're gonna get up out of that, trust me. It's been times where literally, matter of fact, I'm gonna take y'all back, bro. The day the Beluga 2.0s came out, I was in line putting in raffle tickets. That was around the time that the original off-white original 10 drop. I actually hit for a pair of the off-white Zoom flies, and my card declined. I had like 5 times the amount that the shoe was worth, and my card just declined. Now, that might not be like a big thing to everybody. That's something that probably everybody never experienced, but if you have experienced that, then comment down below, because that's not the vibe. And I gotta say this, bro. You know what, hey, bro, I'm gonna come back to the camera, bro. I have to say, you know, I'm gonna look directly into the camera and say this, bro. The damn exclusive access. The exclusive access, bro. How? Have y'all ever got exclusive access in the East City, West City, Central City, Pacific City, and the exclusive access is fully booked in 2 seconds?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
How? Bro. How many shoes were there in the beginning? How did you sell out? How is the registration fully booked if it's only been available for 3 seconds? It's not even 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Wait, one time I really timed it. I got my Apple Watch, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look, my Apple Watch tells me like seconds, so I got minutes and seconds. It literally took like 17 seconds for a shoe to sell out, like fully booked. It's like, I didn't even get to the point where they showed me the local store, and I was tapping as soon as it came through. So who the hell already in there? And now they saying that like they got bots and stuff on the sneakers app, which might be true or might not be true. Like, I don't really know. I've never been into botting. I wouldn't put it past nothing, but still, bro, I know people be location jigging and finessing and doing this and that. Luckily, Nike switched up the box, so now they not putting like the Just Do It tape on there, because you know that definitely would have been on my list. That was like just steal me. You was basically writing steal me on a box. And we all know that Jordan be canceling orders, bro. Y'all already know the story about my Air Jordan 1s, how they canceled my pair of Air Jordan 1s and then restocked the next day. And the reason why they said they canceled is because they sold out. How you sell out and have a restock on the same app, bro? There's so many things I could talk about, guys. I don't want to make this video too long-winded, but y'all have to comment down below and let me know if I forgot anything on the Nike Sneakers app, because I will do an updated version next. I really want y'all to go crazy on this series because this is something that I really have fun doing. This is also something that I've never seen a lot of sneaker YouTubers do. So y'all always talk about originality and switching it up. Well, all I ask is if I do get that, man, I need y'all to show love and support it so I can continue to go forward, because if it's not working, obviously I'll have to stop. Bam up the likes, man. Let's get this to 1,500 likes. Make sure that y'all share this to all y'all friends that are sneakerheads and go through these sneakerhead issues so I can laugh about it, talk about it. Trust me, not the only one to go through it. And until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.